In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV in Jamaica. If you're a football fan wondering how to stream games while in Jamaica, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Unfortunately, YouTube TV is not officially available in Jamaica, as the service is only accessible in the United States. However, there are still ways to enjoy live football using YouTube TV while in Jamaica. The most common method is to use a virtual private network, VPN, to connect to a US-based server. Once connected, sign up for YouTube TV on their website at tv.youtube.com and subscribe to the service. After setting up your account, you can stream live football games from channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC through the YouTube TV app or website. Make sure to choose a reliable VPN provider that supports streaming for the best experience. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV in Jamaica, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.